Good morning, students. Today start the chapter 10 percentage and its applications. Exercise 10.1. Question 1 is convert the following fraction or mixed number into percents. 1/4. 1/4 multiply 100, write here the percentage sign. Now 425 the 100, answer is 25%. Now 5/16 multiply by 100, write here the percentage sign. 25 5 the 125.4%. Question 2, convert the following percent into fraction or mixed numbers. First is 36%. Remove here the percentage sign and 36/100. Now cancel out the result is the table of the 4. 4 9 is 36, 425 is 100. Now answer is equal to 9/27. 9/27. Now 100% equal to 100/100 is equal to 1 is the answer. Question 3. Convert the following decimal into percents. Convert the following decimals into percent. First of all, 0.9 is equal to 0.9 multiply by 100 is equal to 90%, and 0.04 multiply 100, write the percentage sign, is equal to 4%. Question number 4. Convert the following percent into decimals. Convert the following percents into the decimal. 16%. 16/100 is equal to 0.16. Now 95% is equal to 95/100 equal to 0.95 is the answer. Question 5. Convert the following ratio into percents. 1/100 is equal to 1/100 multiply 100 and write the percentage the sign. 100 cancel. Now 1%. Question number 7. Find the value of the following. Find the value of the following. Point A. 16% of rupees 25. Now 16/100 into 25 equal to 16/4 is equal to rupees 4. 20% of 20 kg. 20% of 20 kg. Now 20/100 multiply by 20. 0 zeros cancel. Now answer is 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Question number 8. Find the number. 13% is 65. Let the number is x. Let the number is x. Now 13/100 multiply by x is equal to 65. 100 goes to the numerator and 13 goes to the denominator. Now 13 5 ja 65. Now 5 multiply by 100 equal to 500. Number is 500. Question 10. What percentage is 5 kg of 100 kg? Now 5/100 multiply by 100% sign here. Now value is 5%. Increase and decrease of a percent, increase and decrease of a percent. Now percentage increase equal to increase in number upon original number into 100. This is the formula of the percentage increase. Now formula of the percent decrease is equal to decrease in number upon original number into 100. This is the formula of the decrease percent. Now next exercise. Mary has rupees 4,000 with her spent 16% of his money. How money did he spend? Now money spent equal to 4,000 into 16 upon 100. Here 0 zeros cancel and 40 multiplied by 60 is equal to rupees 640. This is the Mary spent the money. Next question. 20 matches were played by a team. In a season, the team won 30% of the matches. How many matches did team wins? Number of matches win the team 20 into 30 upon 100. Here 0 zeros cancel. Now 2 3 is equal to 6. 6 is the number of matches will the team. Number of matches win the team. Next question, question number 7. The monthly expenditure of a family on wheat is rupees 800. If the price of wheat is increased by 15%, price is increased by 15%, find the increase in the expenditure of the family on wheat. Increase in the expenditure of a family on wheat is equal to rupees 800 into 15 upon 100. Here 0 zeros cancel. 8 15 ja rupees 120. Rupees 120 is the increase in the expenditure of the family on wheat. Next question. The value of a mobile phone depreciate by rupees 3,360 if the percentage decrease in the cost of mobile is 4%. Find the initial cost of the mobile phone. Let the cost of the mobile phone is equal to rupees X. Now X into 4 upon 100 is equal to rupees 3,360. Now 3,360 into 100 upon 4. Cancel out the values. Now 840 into 100 is equal to 84,000. 84,000 is the cost price of the mobile phone. Rupees 84,000. Question 12. The total number of students in a school is rupees 450. 56% of them are girls. Find the number of boys in the school. Number of girls equal to 1450 into 56 upon 100. Cancel out the zeros. Now answer is 812 is the number of the girls. Now number of the boys equal to 1450 minus 812 equal to 638 is the number of the boys. Profit and loss. Cost price. The money paid by the shopkeeper to the manufacturer or wholesaler to buy the good is called the cost price of those goods. Selling price. The selling price at which the shopkeeper sell the goods is called the selling price. Profit gain. If the selling price of a article is greater than the cost price, we say that the shopkeeper has earned a gain or a profit. Exercise 10.3. On selling a packet of a tea, the profit earned is rupees 14 and the cost price of the packet is rupees 20. Find the profit percentage. Now profit percentage equal to profit upon cost price into 100. This is the formula. Now putting the values, profit is rupees 40 earned. So put here the value is 14 and total cost price is of the packet is rupees 20. Putting the values. Now first of all cancel the zeros and 2 7 are 14. 7 10 are 70. 70% is the profit percent. Question number 4. A mobile was bought for rupees 10,000 and sold a profit of 9%. Find the profit and the selling price. Profit is equal to 10,000 into 9 upon 100. 0 zeros cancel. 9 into 100 is equal to 900. Now selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. 10,000 plus 900 equal to 10,900. Question 6. A grocer buy egg at 12 for rupees 8. He sell 8 for rupees 12. Find his gain or loss percent. Buy egg at 12 for rupees 8. Cost price of 1 egg is equal to 8 upon 12. Selling for at 8 for rupees 12. Now selling price of 1 egg is equal to rupees 12 upon 8. Formula is profit percent is equal to selling price minus cost price upon cost price into 100. Putting the values, selling price minus cost price upon cost price into 100 is 12 upon 8 minus 8 upon 12 into 100. Now first of all taking the LCM. LCM is 8 and 12. LCM is 8 and 12. Now 12 is cancel. 12 is cancel. Now 8 multiplied by 8 equal to 64. It divided by 80. 8 10 ja 80. 2 4 ja 8. 2 5 ja 10. Cancel out the values. Now answer is profit percent is equal to 125%. Formula of the simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time upon 100. PRT upon 100. Next exercise, question number 1. Find the interest on a sum of rupees 1400 for 3 years at the rate of 5% per annum. Principal equal to rupees 1400 times 3 year rate is equal to 5% per annum. SI is equal to PRT upon 100. Putting the values 1400 into 5 into 3 upon 100, zeros cancel. 14 into 5 into 3 equal to rupees 210 is the answer. Question number 2. A man borrowed rupees 6,000 from his friend at a 4% per annum. He returned the money after 1 year. How much did he pay to his friend? Formula of simple interest here is 6,000 into 4 into 1 upon 100. 0 cancel. 64 ja 240. Money paid to his friend, principal plus simple interest. 6,000 plus 240 is equal to 6,240 is the answer. Now question number 7. In how many years will rupees 715 amount to rupees 1430 at the rate of interest 8% per annum? Principal rupees 715 amount is equal to rupees 1430 30. Now first of all find out the simple interest. Formula of simple interest equal to amount minus principal. Putting the values 1430 minus 750, answer is 750 principal. Simple interest. Now simple interest is equal to PRT upon 100 is the formula. Putting the values 715 into 8 into T upon 100. Now 100 goes to the numerator and 8 goes to the denominator and 715 also goes to the denominator. 115 cancel out the 715. 100 upon 8 is equal to 12.5%, 12.5 year. Time is 12.5 year. Now look at the question number 9. Question number 9 is what sum of money will yield on interest rupees 3600 in 6 years at the rate of 8% per annum. Simple interest equal to rupees 3600. R is equal to 8%, time is equal to 6 years. SI is equal to PRT upon 100. Now SI is equal to, put here the value 3600. Now P into 8 into 6 upon 100. 100 goes to the numerator, 8 and 6 go to the denominator. Now 8 6 are 48. Divide by here. Now answer comes to rupees 70,500.